Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E with your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and you need to press and hold both of the touch areas on your earbuds. The touch area is located at the back side, so right here and right here. We have it, and let's press and hold. We need to check the LED light on the front side and press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking white. Okay, maybe I did it bad first time. Let me press and hold again. Here we go, now it's blinking white. So we just enter pairing mode and we see them at the device list. After that, tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!